Today is January 8th, 2020, and we're here at the future Uplands train station on the Trillium Line Airport Spur. It's going to be opening in 2022. As you can see in the shot right now, the EY Center, a very popular convention event space in the city, and it's located just outside of the airport perimeter, which you can see off in the distance. And this station is great bonus for the EY Center because it gives great access practically right to the door. The station's going to be right here. It's going to pass right through here. This is an active construction site right now. We'll show you a couple little things that are going on in a few seconds. But as you can see, you just cross over and the entrance is right there. So it's going to be fantastic. It's great that this station is actually being added to the network because they could have very easily have done just a line that went between South Keys and the airport, and it's good to incorporate the station in the middle. Incidentally, the station's going to have two platforms on both sides and two tracks coming through. So as you can imagine, this will consist of the passing track facility to allow multiple trains to run on the line simultaneously, as once again it is mainly a single track operation. So as you can see, station's going to be over here, and the station's actually going to be elevated because it has to cross Uplands farther down, and farther down you can actually see that there's a caisson and support that's being built, which is going to be many more to allow the trains to and the guideway track to pass over the Uplands road and to continue on to the airport. So let's get a little closer and you can see what is going on. Just before I arrived, there was actually some machinery being moved from one end to the other. So as you can see through here, through the fence, lots of activity going on. They've cleared the whole area, and you can see the columns and support pillars that they're building, and the further clearing farther down. So now at one of the entrances of the EY Center, definitely the closest one to the train station. Train again is going to be just right over here, the entrance, so it's not going to be far. So if we take, for example, a quick walk here over to the entrance, you're going to see it doesn't take very long, and it's going to be nice and close. Again, big bonus for the EY Center to have this station practically at their doorstep, and I'm happy to see that because there's a lot of great events that happen here throughout the year, and it's going to be great to have high capacity transit, especially a better link from downtown to get here more easily, and very exciting to see that.